In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own calendar in Canva in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to design a personalized calendar that perfectly suits your style, whether for home, office, or as a thoughtful gift, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into the simple steps you need to follow. First, head over to Canva, which you can easily access by navigating to their website. Once you're on the Canva homepage, make sure you're logged in to keep your designs saved. Then in the search bar, type the word calendar. This search will bring up a variety of design templates that you can scroll through. The beauty of using Canva is the extensive collection of templates, so you can find something that matches your aesthetic preferences or catch the eye with a unique setup. Once you've browsed through the selection, it's time to select a template that suits your needs. You might be looking for something minimalist, or perhaps you want something that is vibrant and colourful. Whatever your preference, there is a design to match. After you've made your decision, click on the template you like. This brings you to a new page with an option to customize this template. Click on that to begin the exciting part, making the template your own. When the template opens up for editing, you'll find a variety of elements that you can modify. You might want to replace images with personal photos, adjust the color scheme to your favorite hues, or swap out the fonts for ones that resonate more with your style. This freedom to customize every aspect of the calendar is one of the most delightful features of Canva and ensures that your calendar is truly bespoke. The next step, while simple, is crucial, changing the year to 2025. Make sure your calendar is current by locating the year displayed on the template and editing it to reflect 2025. This is done simply by clicking on the text and typing in the new year. It ensures your calendar will be ready for planning and organizing all the events and tasks you have for the upcoming year. Once you're satisfied with your design and you've ensured all details are exactly to your liking, from images and colors to the correct year, the final step is to download your creation. Look for the download button at the top right corner of the Canva interface. Here you can choose to download a digital copy or opt for printing options if you want a physical calendar. And there you have it, your very own customized calendar, crafted effortlessly in Canva. It's an exciting and satisfying process that empowers you to create something unique and practical. I hope you enjoy making your calendar as much as you will enjoy using it throughout the year. Happy designing!